Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by stabilizing the instrument, tune to pitch and capo the first fret, then fret the last. Measure neck relief at the 8th fret. This tells you why action is high. Once done, note the 12th fret string height as your baseline so you can track progress. Make small truss rod adjustments, a quarter turn at a time, clockwise to reduce relief, counterclockwise to increase it. You're doing this because neck curvature directly affects string height and buzz. With neck relief close to spec, focus on the saddle and nut. These set static action. If the saddle is too high, remove material incrementally, testing intonation and playability after each change. File evenly to avoid tilt. If nut slots are too high, carefully file using the correct gauge file. Do a little, test a lot. Once you've adjusted, retune and play across the neck to confirm no buzzing or dead notes. This sequence refines string height where it matters. You finish by tuning and rechecking every variable: truss rod, saddle, nut, and bridge height. Once tuned, set intonation at the 12th fret so fretted notes match open notes. Small length changes can fix pitch issues. Play dynamically, chords, single notes, bends to confirm stability. If buzzing or dead spots remain, inspect for high frets, insufficient relief, or pickup height interfering. As a key troubleshooting tip, restore previous settings if a change causes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.